some exciting news to share in this episode of Palmera Go. Palmera Vacation Club has received the President's Club Award from RCI. Recipients of this award adhere to the highest standards of product quality and service and exceed expectations in all areas of resort operation. Each Palmera resort already has an RCI Gold Crown rating, meaning that Palmera Vacation Club members receive a top-notch vacation experience while visiting Hilton Head Island. Members also have an easier way to book 3, 4, or 7-night stays on the island by logging in directly to their membership dashboard and using the 6 ways to travel. Use your membership points to book stays at all 4 Gold Crown resorts in the Palmera Resorts tab, or search for significantly discounted stays in the VIP Weeks tab for additional travel opportunities back to Hilton Head using cash. Use either points or cash to book up to 3 smart stays a year. These last-minute seasonal vacations are set at incredible prices, making them harder to come by, so always keep checking back to see what's available. This is also a reminder that if you're hoping to visit the island for spring break, the time to book is now before it's too late. The island is a great place to reconnect with family and surround yourself in the beautiful low-country landscape. Warmer weather is just around the corner, so get excited and start booking today. The RCI Exchange is a great tool for Palmera Vacation Club members to use, as there's always great deals to be had and new travel destinations to discover. Normally, we like to advise our members to start by using the 0 to 1,000 points filter when searching for vacations. You'll find amazing resorts that only cost you 1,000 points or less, and in some cases, you'll be able to save more than half of what the original cost would have been. These are always being updated, so either create an ongoing search or keep checking back to see which of your preferred destinations or resorts are available. Sometimes most of the deals are passed up simply by not taking a closer look at RCI's homepage. I know it's easy to jump right into searching for resorts, but if you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to find special offers like extra vacations, last call vacations, and more. The special offers page typically has a wide array of deals depending on which region you're wanting to visit and what season we're in. For example, you can find waived resort fees, complimentary meals, resort credits, free additional nights, discounts on all-inclusive fees, and more. It's also a neat way to discover new resorts and destinations. Once you have a vacation on the books, don't forget to see how Quest Travel Club can save you money on airfare, rental cars, and activities during your stay. You might even find a better deal on hotels and resorts in your dream destinations. Finding accommodations by searching under the Weeks tab will almost always get you more for your money, and you always have the option to use your reward credits to book. Regardless if you're planning on exploring locations around the world or you're returning to our beloved Hilton Head Island, Palmera Vacation Club's 6 Ways to Travel is the best way to plan your next vacation. Safe travels!